All right, Falcon. So this assignment is called Force, Strength, and Velocity Change. And we're in the sim. So I already have the sim loaded over here. But I do know it's not in the section I want it. So let me go back here. There we go. So we're going to be in the sim and we're going to complete a series of missions. So if I look at my data table, here's the links to the different missions. So I'm on mission 1 to start to show you guys how to do this. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit different forces and see if we can make these missions happen. So I'm already in that mission 1, and this is what it looks like. So notice I don't have anything down here, and it gives me a mission up here. This is what I'm trying to accomplish. So for mission 1, I'm going to hit the target with a horizontal velocity of 2 centimeters per second by exerting a force only once. So that's what I'm going to try to do. So in order to do that, I've already gone through steps 1 and 2. First thing I need to do is I need to note the initial velocity. So if I look here, I notice it's not moving. And where else I can look for that is in our data table. It gives it to me. So it's right now it's stopped. So then I'm going to see what I do when I make it go 2 meters per second. Did it speed up? Did it slow down? Did it start, stop, change direction? All right, I'm going to press run, and then I'm going to prepare a force. So I'm going to go to run, prepare force. Let's see, I needed it to go 2 centimeters per second. So let's see if I hit it once. Let's see what happens. So notice it's moving, but we don't know the speed. And what happens is if it doesn't disappear into this guy, then we know it didn't work. So if I go to analyze, I can see that it's currently going 1, and so I needed it to go 2. So I'm going to go back to run, and I'm going to try that again. I'm going to prepare a force. Let's see if I hit it twice, if that will work. Exert force. Oh, and that tells me that it worked. So it succeeded. I'm going to go press analyze, and I'm going to get the rest of my data for that data table. So let's look and see what I need. So first of all, how did it change velocity? In this case, it wasn't moving, and now it's moving. So it started to move. Force direction, is it right or to left? So to look at this, I'm going to press analyze, and then this little blue scrubber at the bottom, when I drag it back, this is what I want to drag it and see. Notice the arrow is pointing to the right. So I'm going to type right. Force strength is the number in the pink arrow. So it was a 20. And then change in velocity, I'm going to look over here at the change, and it is 2. Okay, so you're going to do that for each mission. So let's see, I'm going to open mission 4. So these are the links to get to your missions. So mission 4, it's going to take a second to load. So notice it's already moving. So let's see. It is moving at 5 centimeters per second, and the point is to get it to go 0. So it's moving, and I want it to go to 0. So I'm trying to get it to stop, right? All right, so I'm going to go to run, and in order to get it to go back, because I want it to go back, right, click that. I'm going to prepare a force. What direction do I need to hit it to stop? I know I need to hit it in the opposite direction. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. And try 5 and see. So let's see if that works. Okay, so I purposely picked this one because I want you to notice it doesn't go in here, but is it going 0? Let's go look. It is going 0, so it did stop. It just doesn't disappear. So I need to fill in my data table. So I'm going to take that blue scrubber down here at the bottom. I'm going to take it all the way back. And I notice my arrow is pointing to the left. So my force strength That's the number inside the pink arrow. That's a 50. And then my change in velocity. Change, and notice it's a -5 because it started going to the left. So I do need to make sure I put that -5 down there. All right, so that is how you do this. You're going to do missions 2, 3, 5, answer the question, and then I am making missions 6 through 8 extra credit. So if you get to them, great. If you don't, it's okay. All right, let me know if you have any questions.